Hello everyone, my name is Ronnie, your realtor.
I'm Shelby Monaghan. I'm the lender.
Fantastic. So we built this partnership between Shelby and I, sold a lot of houses here in Central Florida. We want to bring to you the top 5 things to avoid when buying a home. There you see it. Don't rush to buy. It's one of our top things to avoid when buying a home. There's nothing worse than going to a showing and then loving the house, saying, hey, this is the one I want, but not being able to put a legitimate offer in. Not being able to really capture that. So what can you tell us about the pre-approval process, why it's so important, and how credit is into that?
Getting pre-approved up front is the most important thing to bring you into a showing with the ability to not only know how much you need to close, what kind of payment you're going to have, what kind of down payment you're going to have. These are all things that you should know when making a decision of this magnitude. This is the biggest decision
That's right.
A lot of people will make in their whole life.
It's a big decision, and if you have a good realtor, you're going to walk into that home knowing how much you're going to pay per month, knowing what the best kind of negotiating tactics are. It's part of preparing. You know, not rushing into this deal and kind of preparing prior and having all these tools in your tool belt when you're going into this. Having the financing down and having the real estate skill to pull the deal off. That's going to be fantastic in the preparation phase. So Don't rush to buy. There you have it. The Ronnie and Shelby Show, Top 5 Things to Avoid When Buying a Home, Episode 1. It's brought to you by Robert Slack Fine Homes and Ronnie Perez, a realtor. Also brought to you by American Eagle Mortgage and Shelby Monaghan, serving you here in Central Florida. Apply now at getapprovedeasy.com. Thanks guys, like and subscribe, appreciate it.